Videoing in public places. It's legal. Now, Friday, December the 2nd, 2016, the MPD arrested a guy because he was videoing. Now, he was charged with harassment, KRS, when with intent to intimidate, harass, annoy, or alarm another person in a public place, makes an offensively coarse utterance, gesture, or display, or addresses abusive language to any person present. Follows a person, yada, yada, yada. Now, as I've done told you on another site, the law is for them, not you. Now, makes an offensive coarse utterance. Does that mean if I sneeze and it sounds like I said pee on you, I can be arrested for harassment? Gesture. That means the freedom of speech of giving somebody the bird is harassment. A display. Let me see. I think it's an offensive display when somebody is smoking a cigarette. Let's go have them arrested. Addresses abusive language to any person present. Well, nowadays everything is abusive language. Now, the MPD has never been on my good list. I've had too many experiences. The majority of them. In 2010 and 2011. In 2010, there was a different chief of police. In 2011, federal HUD had to make the police work. And you will hear also Bill Rudd saying the police just shoos them away. Yeah. Now, I have a point to this. Engages in a course of conduct repeatedly, commits acts which alarm or seriously annoy another person, which serve no legitimate purpose. Well, I'm not defending this young man, but he was videoing his hometown. Now, I've had, and you're going to see in here, where the police didn't arrest the people that was harassing me. I even recorded them harassing me.
And threatening.
You get to hear them harassing me. The police did nothing. Federal HUD had to come and do something. Bullies defend bullies. That's a fact. And it says 99% of the threats came from people that are detached from this area, that don't know us or who we are. Well, because people in this area are smart enough not to talk bad about the police, because the brothers in blue are vindictive. Yes, I know all about them. Very vindictive. Now this boy, he's young, he doesn't know it, but he's on their shit list. Now, while the officers wear body cams, why can't we? Right. The rules are different for bullies, thugs, demons, devils, antichrists, whatever you want to call them. Now, Williams tried to say that they have a lot of local support. No, they don't. They have a few ass kissers. Okay? We're Sunday school teachers, football coaches, substitute teachers, you name it. Oh, I can name it. You're also a lot of other things. Sunday school teachers, like I trust those guys. School teachers, Really? Football coaches. Football coaches teach kids how to hurt other kids over a ball. Yeah. And they talk about their video cam space and how they delete it and so on and so forth. This is a don't ask, don't tell city. I don't belong to this city. And you better not make somebody feel uneasy by videoing them. What do? Causing them alarm by videoing them? There's video cameras everywhere. There's videos on your cell phones. But it causes them alarm, and that's a problem. Okay. Right. He alarmed cops wearing guns.
Paranoid cops.
And it goes on that he continued to annoy a staff member. Well, you sure don't want to annoy somebody in Madisonville. He tried to show his video to the public defender, but he wouldn't view it. Well, the public defender defends the public, not you. The public defenders get paid anyway, whether you win or lose. Done been there, done that. The mistake this boy made was he let them know he was videoing. You don't have to let nobody know you're videoing. Now, the MPD issues a statement Tuesday that the agency wholeheartedly supports the First Amendment rights, of which our nation's courts have clearly defined that filming in public without any surrounding factors is legal. What is surrounding factors? It's our intent to investigate. Yes, they police themselves. They cover for themselves. I know all about that. Deputies present declined to comment. Well, of course. It's a don't ask, don't tell city. Now, the video went up on the Messenger website for a few hours, and then it wasn't there. This is where the housing projects, and they're putting up cams. They're putting up cams everywhere. And that's why Housing Authority controls those cams. So they're videoing you in public. That should alarm you because it protects the drug dealers and her kin and the bullies and the thugs, but not the good people. They don't post that they have cameras, but now you know. It is legal, and I would do it even if it wasn't. Now what you're about to see are legal videos. And you're about to see police shooing people away in a riot and not bringing out the drug dogs when they know this is a drug complex. And it's legal. But the First Amendment right. This is real, this is true, plus my opinion and theory. Real people. And no, they don't know they was recorded or videoed. You only need to know what you need to know.
God don't like ugly.